The rand_range function from the random module chooses a random integer from within a range of ints. To use it, we must import it. From random import rand_range. If we pass one number to rand_range, it is similar to calling the range function with one number. It generates a random number from 0 to 1 less than the number we passed to rand_range. Let's call rand_range with 5 and print the result out. If we run the code, we will see a random number between 0 and 4. If we pass two numbers to rand_range, it is like calling range with two numbers. It generates a number between the first argument and one less than the second argument. Let's call rand_range with 1 and 10 plus 1 and print the result out. If we run the code, we will see a random number between 1 and 10. Finally, a third argument specifies the step value. If we add 2 to this call to rand_range, you will pick a random number that is either 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. That is, because if you start at 1, stop at 10, and step by 2, that means you're only picking over the odd numbers between 1 and 10. If we run this code, we will see an odd number between 1 and 10. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.